Well, there it is, the IDFC First Bank Ranji Trophy for 24-25. Day 1, Session 1, it's Delhi versus Railways, and we are coming to you live from the Arun Jaitley Stadium.
Heads.
Heads is the call. And heads it is. आयुष, टॉस जीत गए, क्या करने वाले हो और क्यों?
सर हम बॉलिंग करेंगे क्योंकि थोड़ा सा ग्रीन विकेट है एंड मॉइस्चर का यूज़ करेंगे हमारे पेसर्स.
That's the first delivery, and we are off and away. Coming in, gets off the mark straight away.
जी हाँ, यहाँ पे गैप मिला, बॉल को दिशा दिखाई और पहला चौका आता हुआ रेलवे के खाते में.
Open! There goes the finger. Nanda Kishore points heavenwards. Breakthrough for Delhi. And Railways have been pushed back. We'll get 4 for that. Fortuitous, but runs are runs wherever they come.
एक बार फिर से गैप में बॉल को डाला है. बॉल जिस गति से बाउंड्री की तरफ जा रही है, जी लीजिए.
Shot put away. He'll get 4 for that. And apart from the boundary, will also give him a huge amount of confidence as well. In the air, there is a fielder. Straight down his throat. Wicket number 2 for the Railways goes down. Suraj Ahuja for 14. Railways 21 for 2.
And he cleans him up. Navdeep Saini coming from round the wicket gets rid of the opener. That's the 3rd wicket gone. And Vivek goes without scoring runs after facing 14 deliveries. Off the edge, that'll run away to the boundary. A welcome boundary for Railways. Straying onto the pads, nicely put away. Boundary for Upendra Yadav.
What a shot this is, and the man at second slip will be proud of that. The batsman just stands there, admires that shot and says, go fetch that, mate.
लाजवाब स्ट्रोक. गैप में बॉल को खेल दीजिए, गेंद बाउंड्री के बाहर ही दिखेगा.
Stylishly played through the onside. Nicely timed, and he's found the gap as well. Driven into the gap, and he will find the boundary. And has it got the edge? Yes. Nand Kishore says yes. And Grewal, as his man, conceded a boundary and then produced the beauty of the next one to find the outside edge. And he cleans him up with the Yorker. Wraps on the pad and up goes the finger. Superb stuff this from Grewal. Back-to-back wickets for him. Straying in line and paying the price for it is Navdeep Saini.
Nicely played forward. Positive in intent is Karan Sharma. The umpire does signal and call lunch on the first day of this Group D clash between Delhi and Railways. Just to remind the viewers that Delhi won the toss, put Railways into bat, and the Railway team is tottering at 87.5, their side back in the hut.